How to use the recipe page in the new Awaken180 app. Let's start with how to search for recipes. From the dashboard, tap on recipes located in the main menu at the bottom. On the search bar located on the top, you can type the name of the recipe you're looking for. Note, you can type a keyword such as buffalo or type the complete name of the recipe to find it directly, and you can scroll down the suggested list that appears below. Next, select the desired recipe by tapping on it. You may need to scroll down to view the following recipe details: recipe description, recipe ingredients, preparation and cooking, nutritional facts, and similar recipes. Next is how to filter recipes. From the dashboard, tap on recipes located in the main menu at the bottom. Tap the funnel icon on the top right corner of the screen. Another interface will appear, displaying the food category and indicating the number of available recipes for that specific category. For example, air fryer, 37. Note, you can scroll down to view more food categories. Additionally, you can search for a specific food category by typing it into the search bar located at the top. Check the box next to the food category by tapping on it. You can combine multiple filters by selecting multiple food categories, then tap the Apply button at the bottom. The app will display all the available recipes under the food categories you are filtering for. Next is how to favorite recipes. From the dashboard, tap on recipes located in the main menu at the bottom. Search for the recipe you want to add to your favorite recipes using the How to Search for Recipes guide. Once you have found the recipe, tap on the heart icon located on the rightmost part of the recipe title. Once the heart icon is fully shaded, it indicates that the recipe was successfully added to your favorite recipe. Next is how to view favorite recipes. From the dashboard, tap on recipes located in the main menu at the bottom. Then, tap on favorites and it will display all your favorite recipes. You may need to scroll down to view more favorite recipes. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.